Good morning, everyone. I'm Aman Seth. My project title is Deficit Powerbill using Solar.ai, and my core subcategory is Earth Climate Change, Green Technology, and e-learning for making awareness for sustainable future. So here is my project name. My project name is Solar.ai, and we intend to build intelligence for rooftop solar projects. Our objective is to hyperscale the deployment of distributed solar and the transition towards 100% renewables by using technology to modernize the way the rooftop solar is sold. And we also want to enable the property owners to enjoy a hassle-free digital solar journey and to act as a neutral advisor to aid them in making a better solar decision. So here is the problem statement. The energy demand is growing fast because of population explosion and technological advancements. Therefore, it is important to choose reliable, cost-effective, and everlasting renewable energy sources for our energy needs. Thermal pollution and radioactive emission by the massive electricity power plants have increased to 30% in 2020 compared to 2020. Power plants that burn fossil fuel pump carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, and as we all know, carbon dioxide is a greenhouse gas that causes a temperature rise. Third problem statement is we also want to bridge the gap between property owners, vendors, fitters, and energy companies so as to drive the adoption of solar. So here is the hyperscale deployment problem cycle diagram. While producing our objective, that is our aim to create the solar.ai, we also find the four additional problems. The first massive scale problem is high electricity bills. The second is no justified clarification. The third is unreliable sources, and fourth is poor feedback mechanism. So here is the solution. Geospatial analysis of satellite imagery with big data and machine learning to analyze rooftop solar potential and estimate savings virtually. So this is our solution implementation of what we using the and how we are producing the solution. So here is the solution. Firstly, our solution will boost the productivity, reduce time and cost. Secondly, we will reduce the operating cost. Thirdly, we move towards zero carbon future. And fourth, we optimize the life cycle economic performance. The solution architecture. So where is the solution architecture? In the phase one, we use the property details of the user. Then we pass on the property details of the user to the R system. Our model analyzes the rooftop using classifier to calculate the solar potential. And in the third phase, we transfer the reports to the customer, to the vendor, to the fitter, and then user can select which vendor and which fitter he or she wants, and thereby he can connect them using an API services, and the quotations will be stored in the Azure table. Here are the core technologies. Here are the introduction to Solar.ai, why switch to Solar, results, impact, target audience, and conclusion. Here is the business plan. Here is the literature survey and the competition. Here is the business model of our project. And at lastly, thank you. And these are some of the output screens of our website, which is already published on the internet. So thank you. I hope you like the solution.